Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine. Radiant Secondary School, subject Social Studies, class 7th. Lecture number 4. Students, let's begin our lecture with activity number 1, continents and oceans. As you know, we have discussed the first part of activity, that was continents. Now we are going to discuss the remaining part of oceans. Let's discuss the third ocean, that is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean lies in the south of Asia. It means the direction of Indian Ocean is located in the south of Asia. Its average depth is about 3.25 km. Average depth means how ocean is deep inside. Let's find out the location of Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean located in the north of Australia and in the east of Africa. The fourth ocean is Antarctic or Southern Ocean. The South Pole is also surrounded by a body of cold water called Antarctic Ocean. Students, you must have to understand the location of Antarctic or Southern Ocean. It is located surrounding area of Antarctic continent. As you know, Antarctica is a large piece of land, that's why it is also part of a continent. And the area that is in surrounding of Antarctica continent is called Southern Ocean, and it is located in the South Pole. It remains frozen throughout the year. It means it always remain frozen. As you know, the Antarctica continent is ice-covered area. That's why the ocean located in the surrounding of Antarctica, that is Southern Ocean, is also frozen throughout the year. Let's find out the location of Southern Ocean. As you can see, Southern Ocean is located in the surrounding of Antarctica. Antarctica is a name of a continent that is located in South Pole. The fifth ocean is Arctic Ocean. There are vast expanses of water encircling the North Pole. It means the large area of water is located in our North Pole. It is a body of cold water and remains frozen for months. This ocean is called Arctic Ocean. Student, in our previous ocean, which was Southern Ocean, that was remained frozen throughout the year. But in the North Pole, we have Arctic Ocean that will remain frozen for some months. Let's find out the location of Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is located in North Pole and it is surrounded in North Pole. Students, let's find out some interesting facts about the oceans. The first interesting fact is about the water of planet. As you know, we have 5 oceans on the surface of Earth, and the global ocean covers 71% of Earth's surface. As you can see on the map, the Earth divided into 2 parts. 71% area of Earth's surface is covered with water and 29% of Earth's surface is covered with land. Another interesting fact about ocean is more than 97% of our entire planet's water is containing in oceans. Students, now we are talking about the entire planet Earth, like how much water we have in oceans and how much water we have in our land area. We can obtain water in our land area from different resources like underground water, canals, rivers, lakes, from our glaciers and rain. Now the percentage of water in our oceans and in our rain is 97% water we have in our oceans and 3% of water we can obtain from the different resources to our land area. Another interesting fact about the ocean is the world's ocean contain nearly 20 million tons of gold inside the oceans. Students, another interesting fact about the ocean is the ocean water contain a large amount of salt. If we separated salt from the ocean water and spread evenly over the earth land surface, it would form a layer more than 166 meter thick and about the height of 40 stories building. It means we have a large amount of salt in our ocean's water. Students, we have done the lecture of activity number 1. We discussed the first part about the continents and the second part about the oceans. Now, it's your turn to watch the videos and the lectures again and again and understand the concept of continents, oceans, and their locations. Good luck.